Hey, this is Brian with Square Foot Gardening for the Red River Valley, and today we're going to work on up-potting some other plants. And I've got some things that have been started here in the greenhouse, and I just need to get them up-potted. They're a little bit root-bound, and it's time for get them some room to grow. And so we're going to take off with that idea. I'm going to go ahead and pot these in to a 4-inch by 4-inch pot. Just make sure that they got plenty of room to expand and grow the way they need to. And so again, we want to make sure that we've got good clean pots. And I want to just go ahead and put about an inch to an inch and a half of soilless mix in the bottom of my pots. Okay. So as we take a look at our pots, our plants, these are a little bit dry because they are in need of some help. The root systems look fairly healthy on these. I'm going to place them again in the center of the pot. And we'll plant in around those with our potting soil, making sure that we compact the soil in around the roots. And we just want our soil up to about ½ inch or so to the top of the lid. Now these are cauliflower, and so get those transplanted a little bit later, but we're going to get them up potted and leave them in the greenhouse here. So I'm going to go ahead and up pot the rest of these. We'll go ahead and give them a good drink of water now that they've been potted. And hopefully they'll take off and be really nice cauliflowers, and we'll get them out in the garden here in about another 3-4 weeks yet. So stay tuned. Hey, this is Brian, and I just wanted to drop a quick note here. If you like these videos, please subscribe and like them. Especially if you guys in your Zone 4 gardens, leave some comments. I'd love to hear from you. I post regularly. I try to anyway, and I always love to hear from others who enjoy gardening as much as I do. Thanks.